Check out this Ford 2015 Mustang GT Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include voice-activated navigation, equipment group 401A, premier trim with color accent group, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, HD radio, MP3 decoder and premium AM/FM stereo with single CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.